What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the crackling sound from the speakers in Windows 11. So first, in the search bar, type in settings and then open the settings application. And after opening the settings application on the left side, click on Windows Update. And after that, from here, click on Check for Updates. So if any of the updates is pending, that's what causing the issue. So just make sure that the Windows Update is up to date. And after that, close this window. And then in the search bar, search for Device Manager. And after that, come to the Device Manager application. And from here, you just need to click on Audio or audio inputs and outputs. And from here, you can see the speaker Realtek R audio. Right click on it and then click on update driver. And from here, you just need to click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the drivers automatically. And then you just need to click on update and then it will update to the latest drivers. And after that, you need to click on disable device. And after disabling is it, click on yes. And after that, right click on it again and click on enable device and then enable it again and just close this, and this will solve the crackling issue from your Windows 11 PC. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.